So welcome back guys in our last part of iPad add transition video tutorial in Blender. So in this video we are going to add a realistic material on this model. So just simply shift A, add plane and scale. Okay, now go to render viewport and go to environment texture and import the environment texture from this basic 2K003. Okay, now go to here, check the ambient occlusion, bloom, screen space, reflection and refraction, and increase the ambient occlusion around here. Okay, now select the iPad and increase the metallic look and also specular level, and roughness is enough. Okay, now select the buttons and increase the metallic look, specular level. What happened to this? Okay, button, and decrease the roughness value, not so much, just a little bit. Okay, now let's come over here, iPad, decrease the iPad color, increase the metallic look. I think it's enough. Okay, select the iPad, change the dark to dark, increase the metallic look, specular level, decrease the roughness value, and also let's come over here on the camera, select the camera, change the face shader to mix shader and glossy and glass. Shift A by pressing Shift A. Okay, Fresnel and RGB curves. Okay, factor to color and color to factor, glossy and glass. Okay, shader to surface. Okay, now press 1 1 0, decrease the color a little bit and go to 3D viewport. Now let's come over here, screen space reflection and alpha blend. Okay, now what is material 002 is this one. Now increase the metallic look, increase the specular level, and also material 003 is this one, the dark area around here. Okay, material 005 is this one, increase metallic look, specular level, decrease the roughness. Go to edit mode, and I think let's give these border a new material, full black. Okay, something like this. Now select the face, and where is Fresnel? Fresnel is here and glass is here. Okay, now 0.990 Let's change the value around here, something like this. Change the glass value around here. So I think it's looking nice. Select the cam, increase metallic look, increase specular level, and decrease the roughness to 0, and change the color to blue. Okay, now let's go to shade editor and go to world origin, press Ctrl T. Okay, texture coordinate and mapping. Now vector, and let's rotate on Z axis. It doesn't working. Let's rotate on Y axis and it's here. Okay, as you can see, looking very nice. Okay guys, it's looking nice. Okay, now it's time for display, and for this part, the bottom side part. Okay, now let's select the home button, increase the metallic look, increase the specular level, and also full white, and select. Let's come over here, metal to metallic look, increase metallic and decrease roughness value, and decrease the base color. For glass, change principle to glass and screen space reflection. Okay, now select this screen, go to edit mode and select this screen. Okay, control numpad 7, solid view, and press unwrap and change base color to image texture and import the image texture, and go to UV editor and press A on keyboard and grab on Y axis and 3D viewport and go to here. Okay, looking nice. Now change the principle to emission, image texture, texture, increase the strength around 2, and glass is glass. Okay, looking very nice. So guys, I think video tutorial is completed. Just scale, select this one, this big one time. Just select the. Okay, there's something wrong. Where is it's here? Let's come over here, uncheck the empty, uncheck the light, and also uncheck the plane. Okay, also uncheck the camera. Now select, shift T, duplicate, rotate on Y axis 180 degree, and unhide the plane, and let's see how it is looking like. Okay, oh, I forgot something. I forget the front camera. Okay, front camera material. So let's come over here, select material 006 is full black and material 007 is also full black. Increase the metallic look, specular level, and select the cam, and cam is fine. Okay, select one more time, more black. Okay, so now here it is, iPad 8th generation in Blender. So subscribe my channel if you like this video, and also press the notification bell so you never miss any update from my channel. So goodbye guys, see you in the next one, and stay tuned with me.